Hello students, good morning. Today is 1st October 2021 and open your page number 92, math textbook page number 92. We were solving word problems of multiplication 2-digit number by 1-digit number. Students, are you watching all videos? Okay, very good. You have to watch each and every video very carefully, and second thing is you must recite all the tables from 2 to 10 because tables will help you for solving the examples of multiplication and examples of division. So that is why tables recitation is required. Okay, now word problem number 7. So let us read the word problem first. Mona, M-O-N-A, Mona bought 8 boxes of crayons. If there are 12 crayons in each box, how many crayons did she buy? For coloring the picture, you use, that is color chalks. They are called crayons. So Mona bought, Mona ने मार्केट से खरीद मतलब परचेज किए, उसने बॉट मतलब खरीद के लाए. मोना ने 8 बॉक्सेस क्रेयॉन्स के खरीद के लाए. कितने बॉक्सेस? 8. इफ देयर आर 12 क्रेयॉन्स इन ईच बॉक्स, ईच मतलब अगर क्रेयॉन का एक बॉक्स है तो उसमें कितने क्रेयॉन्स है? 12 क्रेयॉन्स है. सो हाउ मेनी क्रेयॉन्स डिड शी बाय? एक बॉक्स में 12 crayons है. Number of boxes are 8. So how many total crayons there? That we have to find. So we will do multiplication. First we will arrange number as vertically. 12 multiply 8. Okay. 8 is multiplier. हमें क्या करना है? 8 से 2 को मल्टीप्लाई करना है और 8 से 1 को भी मल्टीप्लाई करना है. और अगर आंसर इन 2 डिजिट, अगर आंसर 2 डिजिट में आता है तो 1 नंबर हम क्या करते हैं? कैरी ओवर करते हैं. ओके. 8 2s 8 1s 8, 8 2s 16. Okay, so that is why 6 will come, 1 will come in carry, 1 will carry over in tens column, and carry over number we add in multiplication. It means 8 1s 8 plus 1 9. It means finally we got answer. There are 96 crayons she bought. Alright, understood students? Example number 8. If one spaceship has 5 windows, how many windows do 13 spaceships have? Spaceships पता है जो आकाश में चली जाती है उनको स्पेसशिप बोलते हैं. तो स्पेसशिप को क्या होती है? विंडोज होती है, खिड़कियां होती है. अगर एक स्पेसशिप आप लेते हो तो उसे कितनी विंडोज है? 5 विंडोज है. और अगर 13 स्पेसशिप्स है तो आपको फाइंड करना है कि हाउ मेनी टोटल विंडोज डू दैट 13 स्पेसशिप्स हैव. तो वो 13 जो स्पेसशिप्स है उनको कितनी विंडोज है वो हमें फाइंड करना है. तो हम क्या करेंगे? We will do multiplication. First we will arrange number 13 multiply 5. 5 3s are 15. That is why 5 will come here and that 1 will carry over in tens column. 5 1s are 5 plus 1 6. It means there are 65 windows. 65 windows that 13 spaceships have. Okay. Example number 9. There are 75 chairs in a hall. You can see here are chairs and there is a hall. In that hall there are 75 chairs. How many chairs are there in 5 halls? अगर एक हॉल है और एक हॉल में 75 चेयर्स है तो अगर हॉल जो है वो 5 हॉल्स है तो सब मिला के कितनी चेयर्स होगी वहां पे वो हमें फाइंड करना है. 5 5s 25. So what will come here students? In 25 number who has 1's place? 5 has 1's place. So that is why we will write here 5 and 2 we will write in tens column. 5 7s are 35. You have to speak the table of 5 up to 7. 5 7s are 35 and in that 35 you have to add This 2. 5 plus 2, 7, and 3 will come. It means 37 chairs are in 5 halls. Okay, dear students. Next example. Example number 10. There are 96 pages in a textbook. How many pages are there in 4 such textbooks? Now वहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं in the picture there is a books and there are in that books how many pages are there? So number of pages are 96. Okay? If the textbooks are 4, अगर ये ऐसे 4 टेक्स्ट बुक है तो उनके पेजेस हमें कितने हैं वो हमें क्या करना होगा, फाइंड करना होगा. सो सबसे पहले 96 into 4, 96 multiply 4. 4 is multiplier. Okay, so speak the table of 4 till 6 are 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, like this you have to speak the table. So 4 6 are 24. So that is why 4 will come here, 2 will in tens column, carry over 2 in tens column. 4 9s are 36. 36 plus this 2, 38. It means there are 384 pages in 4 textbook. Okay, students? Next. Example number 11. Sonia spends rupees 86 in a week on transport. How much does she spend in 4 weeks? एक सोनिया है, कोई लेडी है या गर्ल है, वी डोंट नो, बट सोनिया एक गर्ल है और स्पेंड्स मतलब वो खर्च करती है कितने रुपीस, 86. कितने दिनों में, एक वीक में. एक जो हफ्ता होता है ना, एक सप्ताह में वो 86 रुपीज खर्च कर देती है इन अ वीक. एक हफ्ते में वो 86 रुपीज ट्रांसपोर्ट पे मतलब आने जाने के लिए वो पैसे खर्च करती है. तो ऐसे अगर 4 वीक्स वो आती जाती है तो उसके कितने पैसे खर्च होते हैं वो हमें एग्जाम्पल में पूछा है. सोनिया स्पेंड्स रुपीज 86 इन अ वीक्स. दैट इज व्हाई वी हैव रिटन. वी हैव टू फाइंड दैट इन 4 वीक्स हाउ मच मनी शी स्पेंड्स. So that is why multiplier is 4. Okay. So 4 6 are 24. 4 will come and 2 will come in tens column. Now next step is in tens column. You can see there is 8 and multiplier is 4. So speak the table of 4 up to 8. 4 8s are 32. 32 plus this 2, 34. It means Sonia spends 344 rupees in 4 weeks. Okay, understood students how we have solved these examples? And the last word problem students, that is example number 12. Anu bought 6 packets of chocolates. Each packet contains 75 chocolates. How many chocolates did she buy? अनु ने क्या किए, 6 पैकेट चॉकलेट के खरीद लिए और एक जो पैकेट है, यू कैन सी हियर इज इन वन पैकेट देयर आर 75 चॉकलेट्स. तो एक पैकेट में कितने हैं, 75 चॉकलेट्स है. अगर अनु ने 6 पैकेट चॉकलेट खरीदे हैं, सो हाउ मेनी चॉकलेट्स डिड शी बाय. तो ऐसे कितने चॉकलेट्स अनु ने खरीदे हैं वो हमें क्या करना है, एग्जाम्पल में ढूंढना है. सो सबसे पहले एज पर इंफॉर्मेशन, एज अकॉर्डिंग टू आवर इंफॉर्मेशन वी विल राइट the numbers, that is 75 chocolate, that is each packet contains is 75 and number of packets are 6, so that is why multiplier is 6. Okay students, now we will speak the table of 6 up to 5. 6 5 are 30. Okay, so that is why we will write here 3. Okay, 6 5 are 30. Then in tens column there is 7, here is 6. So speak the table of 6 up to 7. 6 7s are कितना होता है, 42 and 42 plus this 3, 43 44 6 7s are 42 plus this 3, 43 44 and 45. So here we will write 45. So our answer is now, that is Anu bought 450 chocolates. Okay, answer in 3 digit. So like this we have to find the total number of things or objects in example. Okay, got it students? Now test your skill. Actually this part is for a it means after the topic test your skill, it means how much part you have understood from this multiplication topic. For that this activity is there, or mental math is also there. So for testing your ability, testing your skill, this part is given. But I guide you students how to solve this, no problem with that. The first question is there. Write the alphabet given before each answer. In the correct box below, read the secret message. यहाँ पे when you are solving this example, before your product, before your answer, there is alphabet, and from that alphabet we have to create, that is a secret message. So what will be, I had no idea. So let us solve the example, students, and at the end we will find that secret message it given from by this number. Okay, 3 9s are 27, 10 4s are 40, 6 5s are 30, 6 8s are 48, 9 4s are 36. All right, like these answers you have to write below the number. Okay, 9 8s are 72, 5 2s are 10, 4 3s are 12, 5 9s are 45, 9 9s are 81, 9 6s are 54. Then now here, that is so see, now where we have written the answers, so where we got this answer, in front of that product or in front of that answer we have to write the alphabet which is we got in question, we got in answer. So see, here is 45, where is we got answer 45, 45 आंसर हमें यहाँ पे मिला है, और उसके पहले कौन सा अल्फाबेट है, टी. ओके, सो दिस 45 के नीचे हमें क्या लिखना है, टी. ओके, यहाँ पे ऑलरेडी उन्होंने 48 के नीचे आई दिया है. सो कहाँ पे 48 आंसर, 48 हाँ हियर 8 6 48, बट यहाँ पे उन्होंने ऑलरेडी लिख के दिया है. सो दैट इज व्हाई हियर आई इज देयर. सो बिफोर below 45 we written T. Now 48 number, find the 48 number here. So in front of that I. Where is the 12? Here is 12, that S. 40, where is the 40, where is the answer 40, here it is. So before 40 which alphabet is there, F. 81, before 81 which alphabet is there, U. 72, where is the 72, where is the 72, here. And in front of 72 what is the alphabet, 9, sorry N is there, so that is why we wrote N below this number, below this product. 54, where is the 54, here, W. 48 I, 45 T, 30, where is the 30, 30, okay, 6 5s are 30, H is there, 30, H is there. 72, where is the 72, here in front of N. So below this answer you have to write its alphabet, N. 81, U. 36, M. 14, B. 27, where is the 27 answer, 27 here. What is there, this given product, in front of this product which alphabet is there, E. So here is already that number 27 and before is E. 10, where is the 10, here, that is R. And at the end 12 is there, so before the 12 what we will write, S, because here is in front of the answer S is there. So like this we have written its alphabet. Now what message is form, that message we will read together, that is IT, it. IS is, it is. FUN, fun, it is fun. WITH with NUMBERS numbers. It is fun with numbers, है ना. कि ये जो नंबर्स के साथ हमें क्या किया, ये मैसेज ढूंढते हुए हमें क्या किया, हमको बहुत मजा आ गया. इट इज फन विथ नंबर्स. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, नाउ द क्वेश्चन सेकंड इज देयर. राइट द नंबर जस्ट आफ्टर. Write the number just after. Now here is 3 multiply 4. 3 multiply 4, what is the answer students? 12. 3 4s are 12. But just after मतलब 12 के बाद. After मतलब क्या होता है? Just after मतलब तुरंत बाद आने वाले number. So if answer is 3 multiply 4 is 12, so just after which number will come? 13 will come. Okay. 6 3s are, what is the answer? 18, and just after is 19. 8 4s are 32, and just after is 33. Okay. Next question number 3. Write the number just before. Now here you have to write the before number. So after the multiplication, 4 multiply 4, 5 multiply 4, what is the answer? 5 4s are 20. Am I right? 5 4 से क्या होता है, आंसर क्या मिलेगा आपको? 20. जस्ट बिफोर मतलब 20 के जस्ट बिफोर क्या आएगा? 19. ओके. 7 5 आंसर इज 35, एंड बिफोर 35 35 क्या आएगा आंसर? 34. है ना, समझ में आ रहा है स्टूडेंट्स? पहले आपको पता नहीं है तो क्या करना है, उसके नीचे आंसर लिख दो और फिर सोचो कि क्या आएगा. 9 10 90 आता है. यस. And before 91, what will come? 89. Okay, understood? Question number 4. Write the numbers between 5 5 and 5 6. What is the answer? And between that, which number will come? That we have to write. 5 5, what is the answer students? 25. 5 6, what is the answer? 30. 5 6 क्या होता है? 30, और 5 5 होता है 25. Now you have to write the between numbers. मतलब ये 25 और 30 के बीच में जो जो नंबर है वो लिखना है. So after 25 what will come? 26, 27, 28 and 29. Okay. So these are the between numbers 5 5 and 5 6. Because 5 5 is 25 and 5 6 is 30. So that is why we wrote number between 25 and 30. That is 26, 27, 28 and 29. Okay. ऐसा करना है वो. 3 4s are, what is the answer? 12, and 6 3s are 18. Okay. Now in between 12 to 18, those number are all number you have to write. So after 12 what will come? 13, 14, 15, 16 and 17. All right. So like this number you have to write. 8 8 जा क्या होता है? 8 8 जा 64, और 8 9 जा 8 9 जा 8 8 जा 64 and 8 9 जा 72. Okay. तो 64 और 72 के बीच में बिटवीन में जो जो नंबर है वो आपको सभी लिखने हैं. मीन्स 64 आफ्टर 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70 and 71. So these are between numbers 64 and 72. Okay. Question number 5. FI and define the rule and complete these the pairs. Find the rule and complete the pairs. So यहाँ पे मिसिंग नंबर हमें लिखना है स्टूडेंट्स, लेकिन उसको लिखते समय बिफोर दैट यू शुड ऑब्जर्व दिस गिवन एग्जाम्पल्स एंड देयर आंसर्स, बिकॉज after observing you will get hints how to find their answer. It means 1 and 3, 1 3 is a 3, 2 and 6, 2 1 is a 2, 2 2 is a 4, 2 3 is a 6, 3 3 is a 9. Okay, so same thing is there, that is first number and 3s are first number and 3s are first number and its 3s are. Okay, so 4 1 is a 4, 4 2 is a 12, 4 2 जा 8, 4 3 जा 12, right? First number is there and 7 1 जा 7, 7 3 जा 21, 9 is there, 9 3 जा 27. All right? ऐसा हमें फाइंड करना था. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट. Now 7 and 45. Now speak the table of 7 and find where is the 42 number, on which place that 42 number is available. So if you speak the table of 7, so you will get answer 6 जा 7 6 जा 42, 2 6 जा 12. So here 3 is there, 3 6 जा, what is the answer? 18. 3 6 जा 18. 8 6 जा 48. 9 6 जा 54. 10 6 जा 60. Understood? You will get its PDF, students. Okay, but again watch this video again and again how we have solved this. And page number 94, the mental maths part is there. Insert the correct symbol plus, minus और multiplication. Insert मतलब जहाँ पे आपको क्या बोला है, एक ब्लैंक जगह दी है और आपको थिंकिंग करके सोच समझ के ये सिंबल क्या करने हैं, यूज करने हैं. ये प्लस सिंबल, माइनस और मल्टीप्लिकेशन. लेकिन याद रखना स्टूडेंट्स, दैट इज लेफ्ट एंड राइट साइड शुड बी सेम यूजिंग द सिंबल. राइट और लेफ्ट साइड कैसी होनी चाहिए, एग्जाम्पल्स की सेम होनी चाहिए. उसके लिए हमें सोच समझ के थिंकिंग यूजिंग योर लेवल or by thinking we have to write their answer. For example, here is first example, 6 multiply 3. Here multiplication symbol is used. Why? Because 6 3 is 18 and is equal to is also 18. So both sides are same or its answer is 18. So that is why here multiplication symbol is correct. That is why they inserted this multiplication symbol is here. Now B is there. Now see students, 8 and 3 is equal to 5. तो हमें कब 5 आंसर मिलेगा स्टूडेंट्स, हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, 8 और 3 के बीच में हमें क्या मतलब कौन सा सिंबल लिखना पड़ेगा, मल्टीप्लिकेशन लिखेंगे क्या? नो, we don't write multiplication because 8 3 is 24 and the answer should be 5. So that is why we will use here minus symbol. जब हम 8 से -3 करेंगे तो आंसर क्या होगा हमारा 5 होगा. और जब आप इस दोनों साइड को भी देखोगे, देखो 8 - 3 किया तो इधर भी 5 आएगा और इज इक्वल टू उधर भी 5 ही आएगा. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, 9 के टेबल में 9 और 8 में प्लस करते हैं तो क्या होगा 17 आंसर होगा और हमें आंसर तो चाहिए 72 है. तो 9 और 8 के बीच में